It is a different matter that after 20 years, we have received this high-level delegation from Kyrgyzstan. I hope in times to come, this gap would be bridged ably by both sides visiting each other once a year. Ladies and gentlemen, we had a very extensive and very productive discussions this morning from our economic cooperation to culture, diplomacy, and of course, our shared destiny towards peace and progress between the two countries. Connectivity, as we have seen, that Kyrgyzstan will be connected through a wonderful, efficient railroad project from China, Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. Pakistan has already signed an MOU with Uzbekistan and Afghanistan. And this would bring about great benefits, not only for the two countries, but in this entire region.